clean them so everything's prepped at least. People just walk in.
See, this drops in the 20s. This bus has only also been turned on for less than 20 minutes. Everything else is functioning good. But yeah, it's just, and this is actually one of the Bell and like presidential limo buses that I get now. These are from the same guys. Like their ACs, everything's designed to blow in the 20s and 30s. So that's why, and especially we had a full heat advisory and warning. It was 114, and our condensers, everything's on the ground, so they're picking up the actual heat that's 130 degrees off the asphalt. So it's just a huge difference for the white one.